If you're shopping for a new bed frame, Amazon is packed with options, but a few stand out for their quality, popularity, and customer satisfaction. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 customer favorite bed frames available right now on Amazon. Let's begin with the new JETO metal platform bed frame, a bestseller that consistently receives high ratings for its sturdiness and ease of assembly. Designed for queen-size mattresses, this frame features a 14-inch height that provides ample underbed clearance, perfect for extra storage in tight spaces. The minimalist all-metal construction eliminates the need for a box spring and supports up to 3,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. One of its biggest perks is its tool-free assembly, which takes less than 30 minutes according to most users. Thousands of reviews highlight how surprisingly quiet and stable this frame is, even without additional brackets or pads. If you're looking for a no-frills platform that delivers durability, convenience, and exceptional value, the new JETO frame is a winner. Next is the HAFENPO metal platform bed frame, another top-rated Amazon product that's perfect for those who want even more underbed storage. The 18-inch height allows bins, boxes, or seasonal items to slide neatly beneath the bed, which is a major bonus for apartment dwellers or anyone trying to maximize space. It's made from thickened tubular steel and features reinforced center legs to minimize motion and noise. The frame is compatible with all mattress types and doesn't require a box spring. It's also built to handle heavy loads and remains squeak-free over time. Like the new JETO, the HAFENPO comes with easy-to-follow instructions and can be assembled in under an hour. For shoppers seeking high clearance and reliable support, this frame delivers on all fronts. In the third spot, we have the ZINUS wood platform bed frame, a stylish and highly rated wooden alternative to metal frames. This model is crafted from solid pine wood and features a warm cherry finish that adds rustic charm to any bedroom. It supports up to 700 pounds and doesn't require a box spring thanks to its slatted base. The frame is easy to assemble and comes with all hardware and tools included. With tens of thousands of 5-star reviews, this bed frame is praised for being both sturdy and aesthetically pleasing. Unlike many other wooden frames in its price range, the wood doesn't wobble or creak over time. It's ideal for those who want a more natural, classic look without compromising stability. Next up is the ZINUS Linda mid-century wood platform bed frame, another strong performer in the wood bed category. What makes the Linda model stand out is its built-in wood headboard with a mid-century flair, giving your bedroom a sleek, modern aesthetic. The clean lines and tapered legs offer visual appeal while maintaining excellent structural support. It's also incredibly easy to put together. Most users report it takes around 45 minutes from unboxing to completion. The solid wood slats provide firm mattress support, and like the model, it doesn't require a box spring. If you're after a design-focused frame that pairs form with function, the ZINUS Linda is one of Amazon's most trusted choices. Finally, we have the ALLEWIE lift-up storage bed frame, a top pick for those who need serious storage solutions without sacrificing style. This upholstered frame features a hydraulic lift mechanism that reveals a spacious storage compartment beneath the mattress platform, large enough to hold bedding, clothes, or even luggage. The bed also includes a tufted wingback headboard, adding a touch of luxury to your bedroom. The lift mechanism is smooth and surprisingly easy to use, even with a full mattress in place. Customers appreciate the way this bed combines elegance and practicality. It's especially useful in small rooms where closet space is limited, and the robust frame provides solid, quiet support all night long.